Morning traders, and this is your DAX day trade setup for today. So the rot is still continuing. We did get a little bit of a bounce last night, but futures markets are coming off again. So the S&P and the Dow are both down. S&P futures down 1.3%, Dow 1.3% as well. So the DAX futures right now is down 0.6% right now. We've got the Hang Seng that's fairly flat, which is surprisingly, and the euro, which is also fairly flat. So obviously something's happening at the moment that's driving the markets down still. And these levels here we have broken below, and the question is whether that level's going to hold, and I somehow don't think so. I think we're going to get a move back below that. So we've ended up with a bit of a range bar on the daily, off a level, which does give some indication that there may be some buyers coming in, but we do have this gap to the downside, and that would be my next level, to be honest. Somewhere down here at 11.860, somewhere in that area is pretty much what I would expect us to tag next. Is nothing really else once we get through this current level of 12.482. Okay, so provided we get through 12.482, that would be my next stop. Obviously this gap here is going to get some profit taking, and there is a mini level inside there, so I would look at that as well for an area to take profit. So that would be 12.142. Okay, if we look down at the 3 hour, you can see we did have a bit of a double bottom forming here, nice little pullback, and then just another opportunity to get short up there. The question now is whether we break through this level, and I don't think the hour is going to give any difference. You can see moving averages still pointing down, still with the red, green and blue, which is indicating a pretty strong trend to the downside, so you need to trade with that trend. These tails off the moving averages here is also telling you that the sellers are still scaling into this. Okay, so those are my next two levels. Pretty straightforward, and I don't think we're going to get anything different on the Ichimoku. We do have a bit of a bullish twist here, but I have a feeling that's going to be a trap. The awesome oscillator is also giving us some diversions here. But I think the strength of this move, you need to start looking at your 4 hour for some indication of what's going on. So that pin bar there is fairly interesting. So there are going to be traders that are going to be long above the pin bar and the stop below this area. For me, I think the trend is down, so wait for the pullback and then get in for another short. If you look at the daily, we have got below the 200 SMA. We broke through the 200 EMA, but now the 200 SMA is pretty much coming into play. But I definitely believe that this gap down here is going to close. That's the most logical thing right now. And there is another gap a little bit lower, but that's quite far. That's all the way down in this area here. That's 11.8, pretty much next level, so that's 11.840 area. Okay, so yeah, for me, pretty simple today. You're looking for shorts, but not really looking for shorts off this level. Probably even you can come to a lower time frame to get your entries, but I'd want to see some kind of a pullback, but I think you're going to get a gap down. So what you're going to wait for is a pullback within the gap, and probably to either the gap close or the top of the opening bar, the top of the opening bar. Those would be the two levels for the pullback. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Looking for shorts, but looking to be short on any pullback. And hope that helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.